Hey, what's up, STRK coin holders? Welcome to another brand, guys. Today I will talk about the next price target of STRK, which is absolutely on resistance level. I was tell you, my brother, the next price target. But remember, if you are new my channel, subscribe and join Telegram group for future trading signal. We have a strong community, and we will provide you 10 to 15 signal with 100% accuracy rate. If you lose 1 cent, my brother, leave the group, no problem. But one time must try. You can see here this time. You can see here STRK is on fire, but of course you can see here it will be return. Market is an uptrend, but look like BTC will be little bit crash. That's why we will be see little bit bad movement, not a bad, my brother, but absolutely little bit. So that's why you can see here it will be again return. I'm sure, my brother, you can see here it was not crashing, but the market was little bit stuck. You can see here in last 24 hours, not a good movement. Market cap, you can see here all crypto market is 1.94% increase. That's why it was also return. And as you can see here, it was out from support level, absolutely, you can see here. But again, little bit I was expected if it will be little bit also do a breakout, I will be give you call to take a long position and print money like machine. But absolutely, if I will be focusing on short side also. If I see little bit a crazy movement, I will be give you call, no problem. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoy video. Please like, subscribe, and must join my Telegram group because I provide you a crazy signal. See you next time.